How to take a quiz with YuJa Verity. In this video, we will demonstrate how to 1. Attempt a quiz with YuJa Verity. 2. Activate the YuJa Verity extension. And 3. Complete the Verity system check. Let's start from the course page. First, we need to open the YuJa Verity activity. It can be found in the first section of the course page, or can be quickly searched for in the course index. Once loaded, we are in the YuJa Verity portal on the Assessment Hub page. This lists all assessments available in the course. We can select preset filters by clicking the tabs. Active is for quizzes you can take. Upcoming is for editing time slots for live proctoring sessions. Schedule is for signing up for live proctoring slots. And completed is for quizzes taken or available for reattempts. Note that quizzes with Verity enabled will have a pill indicating the platform used, either extension or lockdown app, including an extra pill if live sessions are enabled. Let's find the quiz that we would like to take. Click the Start button for that quiz. This takes us to the YuJa Verity setup page. On this page, we need to have the first 3 steps checked before we can start the assessment. The first one is the compatibility check, to ensure that you are using a supported browser, and we strongly recommend using Google Chrome. The second is downloading the browser extension. Click on the Download Extension button. This opens a new tab with the YuJa Verity extension in the Chrome Web Store. Click the Add to Chrome button. In the pop-up window, click Add Extension. After the installation is complete, close the tab and return to the Verity setup page. Third is enabling incognito mode. To enable it, click on the puzzle icon at the top right of the browser. Click the vertical dots to the right of YuJa Verity. Click Manage Extension. Scroll down, and turn Allow in Incognito on. Close this tab and return to the setup page. Finally, click the Start Assessment button. This opens a new tab on the quiz page. Click the Attempt Quiz button. This will open the Verity system check. It may vary depending on the parameters set for the quiz. All requirements must be ticked before you can move on to the next check. Follow the instructions to resolve any unchecked requirements to move on. Let's begin in agreement by clicking the checkbox to accept the privacy agreement, and click Next to proceed. In general, there are multiple tabs open which must be closed to continue. Close the other open tabs or click the link Exit tabs here, then click Next. In System Check, the internet connection will be tested, followed by a pop-up window to select the camera and mic to record your attempt. If the default options are working, click Confirm. One more pop-up window will appear to share your screen. Select the screen preview, then click the Share button at the bottom right of the window and click Next. Click Hide on the Google Meet Share pop-up. In Applied Limits, restrictions will be checked. All requirements are ticked, click Next. Finally, click the Begin Assessment button. While attempting the quiz, there will be an easy access window from YuJa Verity for help desk assistance that can include a whiteboard or calculator, if your lecturer permits it. You can minimize it by clicking on the icon at the top right of the window to keep it from obstructing you during your attempt. Answer the quiz questions. When your attempt is complete, your YuJa Verity proctoring session will end with the quiz. Now, you can attempt a quiz with YuJa Verity, activate the YuJa Verity extension, and complete the Verity system check.